That's really... Maybe we should try making it with milk. She's like, I don't want to eat this.
She like goes after it. She goes in for it.
I know. And then she sticks her tongue out and says, "What are you feeding me?" Yeah, none of that.
Come on. You're making a mess.
Yeah. This is gonna be like a 2-hour-long process. Say ah. Say ah. She's like, heck no. Swallow. Oh, she got a little bit.
Yeah, I think she swallowed that time.
Ah. Open your mouth, say ah. Ah. Oh golly. Yeah, you're gonna have to do this throughout the day too, or at least once.
Okay.
No, don't do that. This is why. This is yucky. This is yucky. Is she getting any of it, I wonder? I think she swallowed that time. Say ah. She's just playing. She like spits it out before I even. Good. I know you don't think it's good, but. We need a paper towel or something. Isn't that funny, Daddy? Say, ah. Okay, now.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to feed her during the day.
Why?
Because I'll be laughing so hard. It's really probably not a good idea to laugh.
No, we have to get her out of this blowing bubbles. She's only playing right now. Look at her lip. Here.
There we go.
Yeah.
Better.
That was a lot. Here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
See, Mom, I don't want to eat my boogers.
I'm sorry, Carly. She's like, I keep putting her spoon way down here.
I don't know.
Okay, let's put the spoon up here. Ready? Here, Carly. Her tongue comes like out instantaneously.
She's doing better than she did the first time.
I know. She's actually eating some. Some is getting in her tummy, I think. Anyway, I don't know. It might all be up her nose, but next time we're gonna put formula in it or put some breast milk in it or something. Here. Carly,
Oh,
here. No, you don't get that yet. Say ah. Say ah. Stick your tongue in. Okay, I think she's about done. What do you think?
Yeah. She's good.
She really wants her binky and her face is all covered in yuck. We're gonna wipe off the face. Here, I gotta wipe her off. I gotta go get